Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have something a little different for you. Today is the 11th of November and so we are remembering those who were killed during the war. Both the wars of the past and the wars that still continue. I want to share a poem with you. The poem was written by a Canadian physician, Lieutenant Colonel John McCrea. He was inspired to write it after he presided over the funeral of a friend and fellow soldier who died during the war, and he had noticed how quickly the poppies had grown over the graves of the fallen. And so I'd like to share that poem with you now while I complete this diamond painting wreath from Craft Buddy. In Flanders fields the poppies blow, between the crosses row on row that mark our place, and in the sky the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead. Short days ago we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw the torch, be yours to hold it high, if ye break faith with us who die. We shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders fields. If you would like to donate to the Royal British Legion's Poppy Appeal for 2022, I will pop links for that in the description for this video. By donating to the Poppy Appeal, you are helping the Royal British Legion to provide ongoing vital support to the armed forces community, ensuring their unique contribution is never forgotten. Wearing a poppy shows that you care.